No pictures. Just look. Sebastian, come here. Lorenzo, almost school. Show me your backpack. Show Grandpa your backpack.
Nice.
Jeez. Mom, Sebastian, you want to be in the picture? It's not a picture, it's a movie.
Movie.
You want to be in the movie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Superman.
Superman?
Yeah.
Superman.
Oh. Okay, come on, let's go to school.
Am I going to school?
Yep.
Why were you making a movie?
I'm making a movie to show Grandma and Grandpa how you guys go to school every day.
Okay.
Show me your backpack. Okay, come on, vamos.
Eso. Que te he puesto la... Vas a hacer está cerrado.
¿Ah, sí?
¿Ya?
Espera. No, las llaves tengo ahí. Okay. Say bye-bye, Grandma, Grandpa.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Say bye-bye, Grandma, Grandpa.